Okay guys, we are going to make a video on Google Meet, learning how to use Google Meet. My name is Ovoyet Isaac. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So we are going to click on the Google Chrome app and wait for it to open up. So we are going to type in Google Meet and search. Then we're going to click on Google Meet. So we are going to add a new meeting. So we have create a meeting for later. Start an instant meeting or schedule in Google Calendar. Maybe you might be having a program which is scheduled for the next coming month. Then we have a start an instant meeting, which is to be happening right now. And then create a meeting later, maybe some hours from now. But for now, let's make an instant meeting. We have to be patient and wait for it to open. Then we shall get a notification, add others, so we click on that. Then we can write the email or people that we want to join the meeting. For example, we can use this one. So we can send them email. Then they will give us a notification that the link has been sent. In case we want to add others, we can still go back and add another person. You can add another individual. Yes, after typing the name and sending the link, give us a notification that it has been sent. So we can finally look at other applications right here. We have the microphone. We can either turn it off in case we want to listen to someone or probably present something. Then in case we are talking or presenting something, we can just turn it back on by simply clicking the dashboard. And then this is basically for video settings. You can turn on the video in case you're presenting something. You can turn it on. Then in other words, you can also turn it off. Then we have what do we call it? We have subtitles. As you can see, it's writing what I'm saying down immediately. Then we have subtitles. You can click on that and it will be able to give you each and everything that people are probably saying in the meeting, as you can see. Then in case you're not interested in that, you can as well take it off. Then we have the emojis. In case you want to comment, you can tap on that as well. Then if you want to present now, you can simply click on that and it will take you to another page. Can take you to another page, and then you select whatever works for you best. You can choose the window, or you can choose entire screen, it would look like this, or you can choose the window or Chrome tab. Then you can choose I prefer the entire screen, and you select and share. You can as well also stop sharing it or hide it. In case you want to present something. We can stop sharing. Then in case we're done with our meeting, we can finally end it. Then in case we have something to clarify, we can still rejoin, and to take us back to the initial page that we were on. Anyway, that's how Google Meet works, and I hope that this lesson was important to you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.